Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing a few different news pieces for today. All, of course, good news for Tesla stock and the company, because we have news about a new potential Tesla product farther on in the future that Elon Musk basically confirms. We have news about the Made in China Model 3s from the Shanghai Gigafactory, and then at the end of the video, we just kind of have like a bonus news piece, and it's Elon Musk talking about how he feels about Bill Gates, which I thought was pretty funny. So anyways, as always, if y'all do appreciate these Tesla news videos, please make sure to smash that like button. But just getting into the first topic for today, we are going to start off with the one about the Made in China Model 3s. And this is a tweet about some rumors regarding some improvements that we might be seeing with the Made in China Model 3s. So, as you all know, I'm a big fan of the Shanghai Gigafactory. For one thing, they've been able to beat expectations just constantly over and over in terms of construction. They built the Shanghai Gigafactory in a crazy fast amount of time, and then now we have them on track to begin Model Y production much earlier than we thought, in which Model Y production was predicted to begin in early Q1 of 2021. However, they're actually nearing the end of Phase 2 construction, and they said it could be as early as November with beginning Model Y production. So that just blows expectations out of the water, and you love to see it, especially in this time where time is so crucial for Tesla. And if they can do something faster than their predicted timeline, then it makes a huge difference in widening that gap between Tesla and the competition. And that's really an advantage right now. Whereas you may have some competitors, of course, I don't think there's any close to just being at Tesla's level in terms of the technology, the battery capacity, software, the full self-driving, and things like that. But just in comparison to scaling the business as well, there's really no car company at Tesla's level, because all of the legacy automakers are going to have to deal with restructuring their assembly lines from their old factories to transition from ICE vehicles to electric vehicles. So that's going to be difficult enough for them, whereas Tesla is in a hyper construction mode right now, where they're just building factories all over the place. They're expanding at a level we've never seen before, and we're having really impressive things happening, especially with this Shanghai Gigafactory. The Berlin Gigafactory is seeing a crazy amount of progress, and then they're also working hard every single day on constructing the Austin Gigafactory. They're still clearing ground and things like that with that right now, but it's still really interesting to just look at the progress with that every single day. So you all know I love the Shanghai Gigafactory just because they continue to just beat every sort of expectation we have. And I think a really big benefit to Tesla would be building another Gigafactory there at this point in time. I think that would be an awesome choice for the next Gigafactory. There has been some discussion around a Gigafactory in India as well. I think that would be a good idea too. But at this point, if Tesla wants to scale at a level we've never seen before even further, then the way to do that, in my opinion, is to build another Gigafactory in China, because they've already proven to us that if Tesla wants efficiency and if they want to maximize this optimization and make things happen as fast as possible, then China is the way to go, at least when it comes to these early stages for Tesla. And also, we just have a lot more competition in that market. There's just so many EV startups in China, where if we can actually get them scaling their business in that location specifically, they can become more dominant than some people like even ARK are even expecting. I think even ARK has been surprised with the expansion and the market share in China. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this tweet, and then I'll expand on it just a little bit more after we check it out. So this is a tweet from Tesla Mania. That's Tesla 2 underscores, I believe, and then Mania, and it says, rumor, Made in China Model 3 to be equipped with new steering wheel, center console 2.0, whatever this means, new headlights and taillights, power lift trunk, chrome delete, octo valve, double layer glass for better noise isolation. The pace of improvement at Tesla is just mind-blowing. So just keep in mind that this is a rumor, but if it's actually true, this is insane. I love to see the octo valve on that list. I like the idea of double layer glass for better noise isolation. I mean, who could really complain about that? I guess the chrome delete is just one of those things that's up to personal preference, so some people may actually be sad about that, but so far these are sounding like some really nice improvements, and I just love the fact that Tesla's continuing to innovate, make changes, be bold with these moves, and continue to improve. And that's, like I said in the past, the really big benefit benefit that Tesla has is that they don't have to wait until the next year's model releases to add all of these improvements. They can change it at any point in time. And where we have different gigafactories just kind of experimenting with Tesla, you really have an advantage in which they can kind of figure out a niche thing or something that they really like that they can apply across the board to every factory once they figure out whether it works or not, or whether it's something they're looking for. So I like the fact that they're willing to experiment, and we've even heard news recently that's kind of similar to this idea, in which Elon Musk has stated that there will be a revolutionary structural change to the Model Y in the Berlin Gigafactory. So they're experimenting on the Model Y in Berlin as well, in comparison to like the ones they're producing in America. So I actually really like the idea that you can have changes to vehicles to the same model in different locations of the world, because each Gigafactory is trying their own thing to try to figure out which one works best, what's the perfect product for the customer. So this is actually really cool, and I'm a pretty big fan of some of these changes, so I think this could be absolutely huge if it is true. And this is just one of those situations, once again, where the Shanghai Gigafactory is making some big moves, and they're just really not stopping. They're just on the grind constantly. The next news piece today is about a new potential Tesla product in the future. So basically what happened here is someone on Twitter posted a picture that was like measuring the air quality, and they sent a tweet to Elon Musk, and they were kind of joking about how they never thought they would have to like look at some of the air quality modes on their Tesla. They never really thought it would have much use. They acted as if they would never really have to use that feature, but they posted an image that basically said the air quality was very unhealthy inside of their house. So they actually went to their Tesla and sat inside of it to make sure that they weren't breathing in like very unhealthy air quality. And then Elon Musk replies to this stating, "We will make super efficient home HVAC with HEPA filters one day." So that's actually something that I've discussed in the past on this channel, as in like a future Tesla product that could be added to the Tesla ecosystem. Just think about it. You'd have your Tesla vehicle, your power wall, the solar panels, or the solar roof, and then you could also have like a Tesla HVAC system, which would be really awesome in combination with everything in this Tesla ecosystem. So that's something I would really love to see Tesla make happen sometime soon in the future, because I know once I finally got my life set up, I would want some solar panels. I would want a Tesla Cybertruck and a Tesla Powerwall, and then have that HVAC system in combination with everything. It would just be really cool to be self-sufficient just with a bunch of different Tesla products, and you can kind of feel really good about having those products as well, because it kind of gives you just that satisfaction. You're self-sufficient, you have like just that extra level of comfort. So I think that would actually be a really smart addition to the Tesla ecosystem, and it's something that I would love to see them expedite the process of creating in the future. I know that they're really focused on vehicles right now, but that's something that I would love for them to do a lot sooner than we're expecting. I think that would actually make some money, especially for people that already own Teslas. It would almost be like that extra incentive for them to want to have the whole Tesla ecosystem and just have all Tesla products, because I really think people want to support this brand, because we see how genuine Elon Musk is and his vision for the future. And I don't want to speak for anybody else, but I have to admit, like Elon Musk, I've never really looked up to somebody and thought of them as an inspiration until I started researching Tesla more and got more familiar with Elon Musk. So I have to say, Elon Musk is definitely an inspiration to me, and I've never really had anybody that I could say that about other than like my parents, but not like ever a celebrity that I feel like is at that genuine level that Elon Musk is. So with us Tesla fans and investors, I feel like there's a lot of us that simply just want to support the brand in addition to just actually wanting the product. And then finally, we have the last little tweet of today for the news, and this is all about Elon Musk responding to Bill Gates. So let's go ahead and check this out. So we know about the most recent tweet with Elon stating, "Many exciting things will be unveiled on Battery Day 9/22, and someone replied to this stating, "Good day. What's your opinion about Bill Gates' declarations referring to electric trucks? Regards." And Elon Musk just straight up says he has no clue. And I absolutely love seeing this, because Elon Musk can be savage sometimes. And you just love to see somebody not hold back and be honest, because it's the truth. Honestly, I mean, I think Bill Gates is a little bit jealous that Elon Musk has been able to contribute to the world in such an impactful way that he's been able to do so far. And I have to agree with him. Like I said, I just thought that was funny. I wanted to add that into this news video because, you know, we have that beef between Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, and then Bill Gates is now in the mix here as well. Honestly, I don't have too much of a problem with Jeff Bezos. If you actually like look up of story. It's pretty interesting. But Elon Musk is just on like a different level. He feels like a real human that you could actually have a conversation with. And I'm not saying you couldn't with Jeff Bezos, but you all know exactly what I mean, I think. But anyways, I just wanted to share some of these news pieces with you all today. Just a little bit of information here and there with these tweets. Nothing too crazy for today, but still I thought it was interesting nonetheless. And it's still pretty valuable in terms of the future with this stock price. If we have HVAC systems starting to be produced and available to customers, I think that would actually add a lot of value to the market cap, in my opinion, because that's just another one of those Tesla products that will be involved in that Tesla ecosystem. So that all plays a role in the energy business of Tesla, which I think is continually undervalued. People don't really think about the energy aspects of Tesla and how they want to expand in the future to the point where their energy business is just as big as their auto business. Anyways, please make sure to smash that like button if y'all enjoyed this video, and also feel free to check out Robinhood and Webull in the description below. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll get some free stocks, and especially with Webull right now, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. All you have to do is sign up with my link and deposit $100 into your account. You can take that $100 right back out after you get your free stocks, so it's basically just free money. Just want to let you all know about that, but hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.